This brand new website that you can copy and paste without creating yourself has generated me over 63 sales this week and over $315 net profit. There's no expenses on this. I've made this completely for free. This calculates to about $45 a day completely for free. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this, how you can start a business completely online for free and make $45 a day. And I know $45 a day doesn't seem like that much, but it's a fantastic side hustle that does run on passive income mode. So once you do this, you can still make income from effort put in months or years back. So this is a true passive income strategy. I'm going to show you all the tips, tricks, strategies that I use to build a little side hustle like this. It's super easy. I'm going to give you everything that you need in this video, literally a little code. I'm actually going to give you a code that you can copy and paste into this program and import this entire page for free. Product, checkout, all connected for you. You don't need to do the hard work. I've already done that for you. Let's get into this. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on how to make money online, how I make money online, what I do every single day with various side hustles ranging from affiliate marketing, building funnels, building pages, drop shipping, drop servicing, as well as content creating and building a brand online. And if you want to get daily content like that, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on. And if you want to win my $397 drop servicing university program, all you need to do is leave a like down below, subscribe with the red notification bell on. You need to do that and comment down below that you're ready, or that you've watched this video until the end, or that you really enjoyed it and found value from this. Follow me on Instagram over here. You need to follow me on Instagram over here, and then just send me a DM or comment down below on one of my latest posts on Instagram that you've done everything, and I will choose a lucky giveaway winner to win that $397 course, and I'll announce that giveaway in tomorrow's video. So make sure you have the bell on for tomorrow's video. But without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to get straight into it. So this web page over here is basically an entire page that reveals the keto secrets to lose 22 pounds in 28 days. Amazing website. It's already been created. I did all the hard work for you. I'm going to give this to you at the end of this video. Take a look at this. When people land on this page and they click on get your copy now, it pops up with a pop-up connecting to secure server checkout, where all they need to do is they pay $5, click on continue, enter their billing information and complete their payments over there. You get paid direct to bank via Stripe or PayPal account if you connected your PayPal account to this. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get all of this for free. So what I basically did was, in order to create this entire landing page, you'll see over here, I've created the entire keto $1 cash machine. I call this the $1 cash machine, but instead of $1, I'm charging $5 for this ebook. So this is technically the keto $5 cash machine. And all you need to do is literally come over to this account. I'm going to show you how to get all of this, and you click on deploy over here. And I've already deployed it, but for you, if it's not deployed, you're going to actually get a code where you import this at the bottom over here. You go plus campaign and you enter a code and it will automatically import it for you. I'm going to give that to you at the end of this video, so make sure to watch for that. And what we need to go and do next is we need to go and get this ebook to obviously connect up to our landing page. If you come over to idplr.com and you search keto, over here you will see, if you scroll down, the bulletproof keto diet. You just need to click on this over here. It will take you to the download page of this product. Download this to your PC. It's about 200 megs. You get the entire ebook, everything. But like I said, everything's already connected on this landing page over here. It's super, super easy. And let me quickly explain how this works. This is actually an entire funnel, like I said, done for you. I'm going to give this to you. When your viewer lands on this page and clicks on get your copy now, it's going to pop them up with that same checkout. Once they check out with this ebook is going to download to their PC or their mobile phone and also be sent to their email. But then they will land on a landing page like this called an upsell. Take a quick read at this. Hi, it's Katie, the author of the Bulletproof Guide. I just wanted to say well done for grabbing the Bulletproof Keto Diet, which they bought on this page. And then it will basically upsell them to an entire video program that usually sells for $397 for just $17. Now you can make a $5 sale and a $17 sale off the same person. Then over here, there's a picture that you will add. And over here, you can see for just $17, when they click on this, this product is now connected. If I come back to IDPLR, you'll see this website has all these products for you. You can create so many funnels around these products. The Bulletproof Keto Video Upgrade, that's what this product is over here. So firstly, you are selling the Bulletproof Keto Diet ebook for just $5. which is on this page over here. Then you've got your upsell page over here, which you're then upselling them to the Bulletproof Keto video upgrade for $17. So now that's a total of $22 that you can make. But now take a look at this. If they're not interested in this offer and they click on no thank you, but understand I will never get this offer again, it will take them to this page over here, which is a last chance where they can actually get this whole video upgrade for now for just $7. So take a look and note how these viewers are constantly staying in your funnel, even being promoted with better offers every time. So at some point they will have to buy this for this fantastic offer. So this will then downsell them to $7 instead of just $3.97. When they click on, oh yes, I want this, it will obviously pop up with that checkout and charge them $7 for this Bulletproof Keto diet. But when they click on no thanks, it's going to take them to another downsell. So here, firstly, the purchases have been sent to the email, any purchases they made. And over here, there's going to be a video that's just not connected yet because I'm using the bland template. When you import it, this will all be set up for you. And when they click on this, this is connected to your affiliate link on the, let me show you, on clickbank.com. So on ClickBank, you've got the full keto custom diet course. So let me explain how this works from starting from the ebook, going all the way up to this custom diet book on how you can make all 3 sales on just one person on this product. So I'm quickly going to log in with my account. Once you're on your ClickBank dashboard, it looks like this. So you've got the marketplace up here with all the different categories that you can go and promote over here. Come over to the search bar and just type in keto. You don't need to go and filter through all the categories. And the one we are looking for is here, the custom keto diet. So this is an entire affiliate product and landing page made for you. So this video over here is the same affiliate link and clickable video that you're going to have on this upsell page, the third page over here. So now this is the first page they're going to land on, they buy it. This is the second page that they're going to land on, offering that video upgrade for just $17. They buy it or they're not interested in. No matter what they click, either way, it's going to take them then to this third page over here where the purchase has been sent to the email. And this clickable image over here is the same video over here that is on this ClickBank product. So what you need to do is you just need to click on promote of this ClickBank product over here, click on generate hot links, copy this link, and over here on your Carter account where we're editing this page, I'll show you how to do that now. You connect your affiliate links. So all you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Carter dashboard over here. Now, in order to get this entire Keto $5 cash machine, I've left a link in the description down below. It will take you to a bonus page where you just need to click on get all these bonuses. And then after about an hour or so, once you've signed up to Carter, you don't have to purchase it. You get the bonuses completely for free. You don't even need to purchase Carter and you can keep these bonuses forever. That's the best part. You will see on that video training on that link, there's actually a little video that explains how to import that entire funnel for you. There's a code on that login to the bonuses. Just follow that video, copy that code into the members, into the campaigns over here. You'll see on campaigns plus campaign. But like I said, all of this is explained in that video. It will then load up all your pages for you, which is these 4 pages over here. So you need to go edit in each one of these pages. For example, click on the affiliate page, which is our last upsell. Click on edit over here. Okay, let's just delete some of this text over here. Click on edit, and it will open up this page in the Kartra page editor. So all you need to do is just replace this image over here. Just click on the image, click on select image over here, click on upload image. You can see the entire bundle over here. This is the bundle I downloaded of IDPLR. Click on open. Okay, the max size is 4 meg, so you just need to use a compressor to reduce the image size. Click on edit style over here. What you want to do is click on link. You want to select custom URL and paste your ClickBank affiliate link over here. So now when people are upsold with this third and final affiliate product, take a look at this. I'm just quickly launching my page by clicking on publish live. So when I open this new page, updated page in a new tab, they land on this page. When they click on this, it's going to take them through to the custom keto diet over here, which you can see is connected to my affiliate link. So now this is how much you can make off one person. Firstly, you're making $5 over here off this ebook when they check out with this $5 checkout. Secondly, you can make on this second upsell over here $17. So now that's $22 that you can make of one person. Let's say they buy this one as well, and they buy this custom keto diet over here through your ClickBank affiliate link. You're going to make another $52 plus the $22. That's over $74 you can make on one person of just 3 sales, all upsells after each other. And obviously if they don't purchase the $17 one over here, you can still make $7 on them on the downsell. But like I said, all of this is already connected. It's super easy to set up. This Kartra design tool to make your pages is absolutely crazy to design landing pages like this to make money off so many different products of IDPLR. I recommend go and get this Kartra product, go and test with all sorts of products on IDPLR over here. From Keto, you can actually just come over to products, click on all ebooks over here, and you can make so many different funnels around so many different ebooks and products and upsells on ClickBank, from solo ads to print on demand, generating big traffic, email lists, YouTube channel income, and you can upsell them to like a YouTube course on ClickBank that is like $400 where you get high ticket sales. So there's all sorts of stuff that you can build with Kartra. Absolutely crazy tool. But like I said, the link in the description, you will get over $5,000 worth of bonuses, including this entire Keto Bulletproof $5 cash machine. But this is what I did to put this into action, to go and make tons of sales with this. Super easy. The first step we need to go and do is we need to come over to findforum.net, and we want to go and find tons of cooking forums to go and tell people about our custom keto diet and our keto ebook that's only selling for $5. So let's go and search for forums over here. Just type cooking in the search bar. Over here, you can see there's Cooking Light Community, Cooking Junkies, Veg Talk, Discuss Cooking. Open up a couple of these in a new tab. So I'm just going to open up all of these. Let's just go and copy the URL to these forums. Again, the second one over here, forum.vegtalk and Discussing Cookings. Let's just go open up those three over here. So firstly, okay, this first website has been taken down, but let's use this one over here, Veg Talk. So what we can go and do is we can go and click on, for example, Vegan World over here. And over here, you can see is different forums and different people having discussions about obviously vegan products. Now, what's nice about this custom keto book, they cater for vegans. There's a whole vegan recipe, etc. So you can see some of the forums over here getting 8.8k views, 76k views, 4.6k views. And the whole point of this is we want to get all of this traffic into our funnel, to all our upsells and all the products that are awaiting these people. So we can go and click on why are people not vegans? Open this up over here, and you can see people replying over here. Now, what you can go and do is you can go and log in with your account, click on reply over here, and just tell people, hey guys, I recently came across this crazy cookbook for vegans. It's called the Keto Diet, and there's a couple of vegan diets in there and recipes. I recommend check it out. If you want the link, personally message me on this website or comment down below, and I'll reply with the link. Now, what's fantastic about this, you don't have to send the link the first time. You just want to kind of ask them a question, show people that you're real, and then if they show interest back, reply with the link to your landing page. Same with this second discuss cooking over here. You've got so many different general cooking, menu planning, outdoor cooking. So let's go and choose general cooking over here. Right now, there's 66 people viewing this live, and this is views over here, 242,000 views for tips for the home and kitchen cooking. So again, you can go and reply to all of these over here. Like I said, this current forum has over 242,000 views. That's potential views that people can see your link. Some of them will definitely click on them and show interest in your product. So again, go and talk to these people. You just need to go and log in with your account on these forums in order to reply, as you have to have a username, and you can mention to people, hey there, I just came across this entire cookbook that I made this weekend for my kids or my family. Absolutely loved it. Here's the recipes. You can click on this link and go and download this ebook, and just leave references to this ebook. Which is your page over here that you've now created or copied from my link down below in the link of this video, which you can go and import at the click of a button. So like I said, you don't need to do any of the hard work. Super easy. And again, I recommend come over to findaforum.net and just go and choose from any of these forums. There's Wine Talk, Gold, Silver, Spectra, the online community. There's fast diet, weight loss support forums, wild camping forums. They've got to obviously do with camping food. Chef Talk sounds like quite a good one. Let's open this up. And there are so many forums getting so many views. The best way to identify the best forums, I recommend, is click on the links to these forums. Just wait for them to load. Go and copy the link of this forum and come over to similarweb.com. SimilarWeb is like a tool where you can background check websites and see how much traffic they're getting. Just paste the link of this website on the top and click on it on the drop down. You will see it will all load up into SimilarWeb. And you can see right now this website is getting 206,000 views every single month from top tier countries. So obviously people interested in cooking. What I love about forums, you're targeting traffic already interested in cooking, because obviously they wouldn't be on this forum if they're not interested in cooking. So it makes sense. So over here again, you just can go choose from any of these. For example, professional chefs, pastry chefs, catering, social discussions, or school discussions, job postings and opportunities, over 2.5k threads, 16,000 messages. So you can see a lot of people are on this website. So let's just go, for example, food and cooking with over 200,000 messages. And same thing over here, 2k views, 700 views. This is getting over 672k views. What's for dinner? So you can go and click on this forum and say to people, well, I just created this entire dish from this cookbook, Eat Keto Diet. The entire family loved it. They enjoyed the roast. If you want a recipe on this, here's the link to this entire cookbook, and you can absolutely upsell them to this cookbook where you made this entire dish for them. Again, you want to make yourself appear real. You don't want to spam like a bot. You actually want to have real discussions with people so that you can gain their trust. Guys, if you want to get access to my entire private video course, that's the Drop Servicing University. It's 57 intensive training videos. I'm looking for students who are really willing to work hard at this. I teach you how to build funnels and sell services and rare high income skills all over the world. So if you want to get access to that, click on the link in the description. There's a whole massive sale going on right now. There's a coupon on that page. So if you want to enter that on the checkout, take a look at how much is actually taken off that price. But what I'm going to do is on this playlist over here, I'll leave an entire playlist teaching you more about Kartra, how to get bonuses, how to make sales and generate an amazing side hustle, hopefully a main hustle over the days and weeks to come, and make sales every single day. And you can potentially hopefully leave your job over time. But make sure to click on this playlist over here and make sure to participate in today's giveaway to win the Drop Servicing University. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video.